Morning. Morning, everybody. I feel like I'm dropping frames again. Lame. Let's see if this stabilizes. Morning, Medi, Jerome, Scott. Hello, hello. It's getting a little better. What's up, Smooth? This week is all about accuracy. I took way too many trades last week and gave back too much. Alright, I'm dropping frames, so let me reset my modem right now. See if that helps. I mean, it's already getting better. So maybe it fixed itself. Friday trade hit 3RR. W win on Asia. Alright, I'm restarting it. Alright, we're back. Hopefully that fixed it. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Tris. Got a MFA with your code. Oh, I appreciate it, Anthony. Let me check. Yes, I did get it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Good luck with that account. Hello, Leary Doctor. Hello, Miss K. Looking like a big move down at open. So far, no drops, no frame drops, so we're good. We're good. That fixed it. Oh my god, why do we have so many bots on Discord? Oh my god, I have so many bots. Alright, the market's open. This cat is so silly. Alright, let's see what today brings. Seems like I don't see a clear trend here in terms of stocks. I see some green, I see some red. Oh wow, is this gonna be a Judas swing? And we're gonna end up going down? Wow. Look out below. Yikes. I hope nobody went long here. A little Mahi Tech. I think it was a good decision on my part to just stay out of market open. So much better. Less stress. About to get stopped at break even. Where did you go long? I assume 80.5. Wait, did you go short? You went short at 80.5. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. We're falling back down. I'll never trade the open. I'll only hold position if I have a good entry. Yeah, I mean, if you're already in the trade at open, it's okay. But if you expect to get tagged with the market open, that seems dangerous. Hello, LSJN. I said short at open, but I would have gotten stopped out from that big surge. Yeah, it's called the Judas swing. You know how Judas betrays Jesus? That's where it's from. We make a bunch of equal lows right there. We're trying to get back up. Hey, Daryl. One ES longed. You think it's a long? Thank you. What's up, Dean? I optimized my PC like you said. I can watch a YouTube tutorial on that or use AI to help you today after stream. Well, I fixed it, so that was really easy. All right, almost 10, 11 more minutes. Hello, Hassan. No clear direction so far. Seems like it. I feel like we're still bearish. We're making those equal lows, creating liquidity, but who knows? Break even. Wow, why did we fall like that though after? Morning, Dylan. Giving away a membership right now. Again, people that I've never seen before. It be like that. Never lands on me. Explain this luck. I can't explain it. I don't know. Jerome, if this hits your target after tagging you out, oof. That hurts. That hurts, that hurts. Almost. I guess I can go over what I did for Asia. It was just one trade. Super simple. Like from here to here. $60. That's it. Hey, we're going up. So maybe you wouldn't have made money. Hello, W. Money Monday morning. Yes. Today is Making Money Monday. What account are you giving away if you win today? Bro, don't tell him. I was advised not to tell you guys. Let me put in a request for more here right now. And depending on what I get, could change. You like Lucid Pro? Tell them to give you a bonus because it's August. Why do I get a bonus on August? Just ask. All right. Ask if you can do a 5-account giveaway when you hit 2K subs. Gives you more chances to win. That's actually a good point. Wait, why does it say I have a pending request? I don't. Alright, it's broken. Can't do it. Am I talking to a bot because humans don't reply that fast? It's a form that you fill out. And when I submitted it, it said I have a pending request. RIP. Yeah, we're cooked. Alright, 10 o'clock. Here we go. We're going up a lot. A lot more than I thought. I guess I'll try again later. Now I don't feel so bad. Yeah, it ended up coming back up, so you're good. You were like 2 ticks away from TP though, right? So maybe that would have been worse. Uh-oh, my connection's being weird again. Dang it. Looks like there's some sort of a rhythmic outage, trade C outage. So be careful. About to hit my trend line. If it breaks, I'm going long. I may consider a long too. I hate Rhythmic. Haven't used it in a few years now. Yeah, me too. I used to have an account with Rhythmic. It was the worst one. The fills were bad. I mean, that's the biggest reason. The fills were bad. I'm pretty happy with Tradeovate. Now NQ looking bullish. We swept these lows and then we bounced back up. So I don't know. I guess it's ready to go higher. Fills are bad and they have too many issues. It goes down way too much, and copy trading issues of not entering all accounts. Yeah. I think I can't say I personally experienced all of it, but I generally agree. My long 81.25. Okay. I'm gonna actually long pretty higher up. I feel like this is a momentum move right here. Looks pretty strong. Yeah, this is real strong right now. It's a resistance. Well, I'm long in this, guys. Why is my trade thing not set up? God dang it. I forgot that I reset my router, so now everything's logged out right when I have to take a trade. Alright, we're back. Alright, I'm gonna... Not sure. We're coming back down here, but I may long like 87 if we can go back up there. And got a break for me. Just kiss downward resistance. Move to 81. I'm gonna put a pretty wide stop and go long at 87 if we can get back up here. And we're still very early in the hour, so good chances of getting filled. Going long. About to get filled. Maybe this will be an all-time highs move right here. Make new all-time highs with this long. Am I gonna get filled?
Order filled.
I'm in, guys. That's how big my bracket is. So this is gonna be a long one. Okay, nice little bounce. Bro, this is so wide. It's about accuracy, you know? This week's about accuracy. My TP is high probability. I hope so. What's up, Raphael? My TP is almost taking out this high right here and a little bit more. So that's what I'm gunning for, this high. Hello, Jose. Is London highs? Okay. TP looks good. It's long ways away. 10 points. It's more like 9, but I want a little bit more. You're not gonna take a trade? Your SL, I don't know that much because we open a 15-minute at below your entry, so we might need retracement, but we'll see. It's a wide stop, so I'm never wrong, you know? I'm never gonna get stopped out. Just rejecting from the trend line. It should go back up and shoot through it. So far, it's not doing that. $82 long set. Alright. I can get down there and still be okay, so maybe that will be the catalyst I need. I'm on the 15, so it may take a few candles for you. Okay. Believe. Hashtag believe. Easy money, you got it. Okay, I got it. I'm just chilling, you know. I'm not even really paying attention. This is what you call set it and forget it. You guys should try it. If we close above the high, you're golden. So far, making a lower high. Moving long limit to 83. Okay. I don't think it's going to let me in. We'll see, we'll see. Still haven't made a higher high yet, so it's possible. With a wider bracket, have you considered using multiple take profit targets? That approach is similar to the process I run. I've considered it, but it's just not my style. I'm just all about do or die, you know? Gotta take all the money I can get. Or nothing. That's my motto. It just keeps failing. Failing to go higher. $50-50, you win or lose. Okay. I'll take it. I'll take those odds. You're deleting it? Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Looks good so far. If I can make $100 with 3 micros, that's a good day. Payout, here we come. I need to get to break even first, or the starting balance. We're almost at the, you said this is London high? Almost there. But we could also roll over right here, right? Like, that wouldn't be too crazy. You're up 4-1 on the day, 200 on your eval. Nice. I don't like how this fell back down. That's not fun. You're out for the day. Good job today, man. 200 days, solid. Finally exited my trade. Of course, I'm dropping frames right now. Market makers really messing with me. Messing with my trade right now. You can make a lot more than 100 with 3 MES. Yeah, of course you can. I'm just saying $100 with 3 MES is a good day. Hit my daily targets on my eval, took a payout, and blew my funded, so I'm done for that. You took a payout? That's good. If you took a payout on a account, that's already worth it. It's rejecting off of the previous bullish trend line. Just hold it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it until I get stopped out, so you don't have to worry there. I don't close early. I keep dropping frames though, so you might miss out a little bit. It goes, my connection is going up and down right now. Kind of like this trade right now. That's my connection. Hopefully the connection stabilizes, because it's going up and down a lot right now. All right, we might be back. Looks okay so far. All right, we might be back now. Man, that's annoying. We're almost there, boys. Well, I wouldn't talk too soon yet. We're not there yet. Almost a win. I'm five ticks off. It's not a win yet, guys. Don't spam the W. It's a win. Say it and manifest it. All right. It's a win. I'm manifesting it. All right, make it a reality, guys. Let's make it a reality. Wait, I'm not out. Oh my god. MES, man. I hate it. Did you guys see that? I got tagged out of my ES, but then MES didn't, so I had to close it. Thank you for the W's. It's a win, okay? It's a win, okay? Even though it wasn't perfect, it's a win. It's a win, okay? So how much did I make? I bet I lost probably like 5 ticks. More? Bruh. 33? I lost 7 ticks on that. That's triggering. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Whatever. Once again, I'm not gonna tell you guys when I'm gonna do it, so man, I can't believe I lost 7 ticks. I mean, that's only 23 bucks, I guess, but so annoying. But in a way, good thing I closed it, right? Because we're like kind of going back down. But we'll probably end up going back up. One more trade. If you want duck race, I want to see everyone spamming W's. I didn't say that, guys. I was just reading someone else saying it. Okay, I feel better. I feel better that I closed it. Ooh, yikes. It's coming back down real hard. That was a solid win. Thank you. Let's see. My Apex did well, right? Oh my god. I'm now at 50k. For the Apex, I only have until the 21st to make 3k. So I might have to up my leverage a little bit there as we get close. Oh my god, we're dropping hard. I was planning too long. Thank God I didn't. Just a minor pullback to start a true uptrend. Well, now that I'm out, it doesn't matter to me. It could go up or down, don't care. Jeez. Slow down there a little bit. Oh my God. So are we actually falling back down because we took out the London high? Wow. All right, this is why you close the trade if it hits the target on your chart, okay? And I'm not some genius for knowing this. Obviously, I lost a lot of money being stubborn about it. So that's why I have that rule. Bloody Mary. Yikes. Alright, since I can't request for more Lucid, I'm gonna give out Apex. L. I'm sorry, man. But not yet, not yet. I'm gonna keep it random. I'll take a little Apex for the love of the game. Yeah, I mean, I think it's still worth it to kind of use it to if you just want to have fun. And if you happen to pass it, wouldn't you rather pay the activation fee than to buy another eval? Apex finding fee? You mean activation? It depends on the account size. I always forget. $69 for 25K. 79 for 50K. Well, that's intraday. Yeah, it depends on the account size and the drawdown type. Do they have a time frame for passing? Yeah, 30 days. You have to pass within 30 days or it's gone. Poof. I think long-term Apex is better than Lucid. Have you read Lucid live payout rules? I don't know. I think you can only get one live account with Apex. So just from there, it's not as good. Hope I win Discord one. Have you seen how many bots joined the Discord, Dean? You have no chance. Over the weekend, I had 10 bots, like 20 bots join. Apex gives you one 3K live account, yeah. At least with Lucid, no matter how bad the live account rule might be, even though I can't think of it on top of my head, at least you got 5. Apex lets you have all of your money. For the sim funded, yeah. But for a live account, every platform's the same. You know, it's daily payout. You get all the money. Yada, yada, yada. Apex lets you pull out the full amount minus the buffer. Lucid holds your money and pay you a small percentage. Okay. You could be right. I don't know. I don't know the rules 100%. If they win, will they get the account? Of course they'll get the account. How am I supposed to know that they're bots? I can make a guess that they are. But you know they're bots if their first or if their name, like let's say hero in here, and then their username, their unique Discord is hero and then some numbers. That's the pattern that I see. Look at that, 10 a.m. reversal, close within the range, inside the 9 a.m. range. How hilarious. If they joined in the weekend, how unless you have Discord username in Instagram bio? What does that mean? They'll give you all of your money. You don't have to go to live. If you don't go to live, they'll give you a final payout of everything. But do they have a cooldown period? Like, can you buy another account and do the same thing, or are you quote unquote banned after that? 2 more bots joined. I mean, where did they get the invite link? My Discord link is in my description of every video. You're not banned? Okay. In that case, done if you don't go live. Done, what does done mean? It's hard to get around all them bots. That's why I do like barely anything on Discord. Like I do 1 Lucid and 2 Apex. No more accounts? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you can get all the payouts, sure, but you're done with that firm. So is that really better than you know, being able to keep trading with them. But maybe it is better. I don't know. Jade Keb is the example, yeah. Again, I think there's no right or wrong answer. If you think certain things are better for you, then, you know, you don't have to convince us. Just think that's better and you go with it. Not if you get enough money to trade your own account. I think some people just never want to trade their own account. They want to stay a sim forever, which I do relate to. But I think if you just know how to trade, if you know how to trade in general, it's like these rules are like kind of annoying, but it's never like a deal breaker. Like we're talking like what, $30-ish, $30 to $50 in differences between all of the firms, which you can make back with like one payout. Like $30 to $50 only matter to people that can't get a payout. Me. It matters to me, okay? Because I can't get a payout. You can just choose to go live. I think comparing firms by their live rules, it's just not productive, right? Because trading your own account is going to be the best anyway. So I think if you really want to think about which firms are better, you got to just think about how long do they let you stay in sim. I think that's the deal breaker. Cause like in the sim, your fields are gonna be better. It's gonna be less. I mean, it's gonna be just as volatile, but like you're not gonna get crazy misfills or anything. Giveaway is of Apex with no activation fees. No, you have to pay activation fees. It used to be no activation fee in the very, very beginning when they first came out with it, but they took it away. Too good. Done for the day. Small win. Congrats on the win. Thank you, Kevin. I'll see you tomorrow. 40 is not bad, man. I end the day with like 50 to 60 bucks. Plenty of times. Lucid is only 5 payouts in sim unless you want to keep doing challenges. Well, on Lucid Daily, obviously none of this is set in stone, but apparently you can stay longer as long as you stay under the max profit. If you have a sizable account, why go live and give them control and take 10%? No thanks, I'll take the money and trade my own account. Yeah. I think that's generally the better idea. But, you know, it's like their argument is that for that 10% cut, you get extra support, quote unquote support, you know, whatever that means. You get a risk manager. I think you getting bonuses depending on how much you make on live, I think that's worth it. Maybe that if that runs dry, then yeah, there's no other reason. But if you think about taxes as well, if you trade your own account, you get favorable taxes. But if you trade through a prop firm, it's just ordinary income. So that's another negative. But I do wonder if like something goes wrong when it's like not your fault. I feel like if you trade your own account on Tradeovate, maybe they'll be like, sorry, can't do anything for you. But maybe if you trade through a firm, they have somewhat skin in the game, so they're maybe willing to help you out on like some fluke. I could be wrong, but that's another potential upside if there is such a thing. Because of risk, you're leveraging their money. 10% isn't that bad. Well, if you're on live account, you're not leveraging their money. It's your money that you should have gotten the payout from. Once you go into live, they have no money in the game. They just get 10% cut for every money that you make in live accounts. I have good risk management, so that doesn't matter at all. Yeah. I mean, I don't see any benefit, any value from quote unquote risk manager. But like I said, this like one time like black swan event, is there something that the firm can do for you on a live account that you won't get from a cash account? Because like, you know how terrible Tradeovate is if you talk about your cash account. It's like they're like, sorry, we can't do anything. But if you trade through a firm, is it a little bit different? Like, can they look into something for you in more detail? I doubt it. Yeah. How's your money? You don't get that buffer amount either way. It's your money because usually how live works is that the money that you made from sim account that you're supposed to get a payout with, right? That's your money, and that you transfer over that, you transfer that money to a live account. That's how it was for topstep. Like, I made 10K off of the sim, off of 5XFAs, and I brought that 10K over to my live account, and I was able to trade that money. So it's my money that I'm owed, right? So now topstep has no skin in the game per se. Like, they don't need to pay out any of my money or any of their money. So instead of getting a 6 payout, you transfer it. Yes. Like, you don't get a choice. They just move you to live. At least that was for me. Like, on topstep, I didn't hit any of the quote-unquote requirements for you to go to live. I made sure that I stayed under so I don't go to live. But just on a random Tuesday, they're like, okay, you're live now. And obviously I can't speak on Lucid because I've never even gotten a payout, but it is possible for them to move you after like 1 or 2 payouts. If those payouts are like super big. I guess it can't be that big because they have limits on Lucid Flex and stuff. And I heard Topstep changed something about live ever since I was there. So I'm not gonna speak too much on it like I know anything. Cause it's been a year since I was in live, so that's a long time in prop firm space. So might as well say that I've never been to live now. There's a zombie race giveaway. Whoa, okay. I found it. It's the same thing as duck race, okay. Okay, we can do that. Oh, there's a bunch of them on here. You're up 3-0, nice. Definitely sounds crazy to move to live if they're transferring your money. I don't know what the thought process was at this time, but I think at that point they kind of move you out of the blue, and I kind of wanted the prestige. Now that I think about it, it's kind of silly, but I wanted that prestige of like, I'm a live trader with Topstep, right? Like I wanted to say that. But it's all useless at the end. L Topstep, more like shit step. I mean, yeah, now it's a different story, but back then, back when I started, it was either Topstep or Apex or Earn to Trade or what else? I think Trade Day was there back then. Topstep was a good deal back then, you know? Basically take your money and run. I would say that. Yeah, I would say so. I would say leave enough money in your live account just to treat it like a normal, like a small account, but take out the rest. Take out the rest of the money. My funding feature wasn't there back then. Yeah, I don't think so. It was either they just got started, so they were like too small for my to be in my radar. But all of these big firms right now, they weren't even there. Lucid for sure wasn't there. All right, let's do the thing. All right, I'm gonna give 3 away, 3 Apex accounts. You have to pay activation fee if you pass, so don't enter if you can't afford it. Wait, this is max 6? Okay. Then I'm gonna have to go back. Only 16 people. Wow. Okay. Random number generator. 16. 3. Okay. Interesting. First place, last place, and third place. Here we go. Only 16 people. Are you gonna donate your Apex, Dean? If you win? Wow. Alright. To someone who can pay activation. You can give it to me. I can pay activation. First place. Really, just Josh? Are you here? Alright, he's here. Whoa. Last place. Just realized I didn't get my entry in, so you can give it to me. Dean hasn't even won, guys, so let's not jump the gun here. Last place for this one. Does it have activation fee? Yes. Depending on the account size and your drawdown type, the activation fee could be from, I don't know, like 69 to like 149. I don't know. Consistency? No consistency. You can pass in one day. Last place is Naya Bali. Are you here? First win. Can you, didn't you ask if there's no activation fee? Can you afford it? All right, third place for this one. Already have 2 accounts. You can't afford it? You can or you can't? Third place for this one. Third place is Dealing Hands. Is Dealing Hands here? Dealing Hands. Alright, he's here. Oh, I forgot to remove winner. Oh well. Thank you for playing, guys. Thank you for watching me win. It was a good time. I'll stick around for another like 20 minutes. I could still get a setup, so we'll see. I don't have any money for activation. What suggestion you have? You can YOLO your account for fun, or you can give it to someone. Here. Take a look at the screenshot. Sure. Whoa. What does the empty triangle mean? Is that where you entered? I would assume so. So the empty one's your entry, the solid one's your exit. You want to give it to Dean? But Dean can't afford it. He can't afford the fee. You give it to me for CPI? No, I can't do that. I want someone here that can use it to have it. I don't need it. But as you can see, guys, it pays to be active on the chat. Look at Dean, almost got a free account just by talking. I'll take it then. We'll take a loan for activation. Okay. All right. Sounds good. If you won today, reach out to me on Discord. Open up a support ticket. Do not DM me. You'll be ignored. Hey, if you want to take a loan, I respect that. I respect the hustle. But you don't even know if you're going to take the loan, right? Because you don't know if you're going to pass. So I think if you pass, it could be worth it to take a payday loan. Not financial advice. I'll follow Dean's signals. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Make sure you post your screenshots, Dean. There are people relying on your analysis. He's gonna blow it 100%. Well, no harm done, right? Because it was free. Not a promo, just helping you save yourself from financial ruin in the payday stuff. Yeah, I'm kidding when I say don't take a payday loan, please. Taking a payday loan to pay activation fee is the same thing as quitting your job after passing your eval. Okay? You think you're gonna start making money after you pass your eval? No. Big fat no. I have to write this down. I have 2 funded Apex accounts, no payout yet. I think Apex is really hard, at least for me. Oh yeah, Naya, are you here? Oh, you say you'll take it. Cool. Thank you for letting me know. You don't like intraday drawdown? You can do the end of day drawdown. But the activation fee will be higher. Can I DM you on Twitter? Sure. At least you're done trading. Yeah, I'm starting to lose connection again. Man, I pay so much money for internet and this is what I get. Yeah, really dropping my connection hard here. Hopefully it stabilizes. Are we back? We good now? Nope. It's getting better. But still kind of dipping in and out. I'm about to end the stream here, guys, if we keep lagging out.